Hi, I'm Lucas Moura.
Hi, I'm Eric Lamela.
Today is about starting your career.
That means kicking off with the right attitude, using your head and hitting all important goals.
Hello. Today we're talking about starting your career. Now, I got my rather glamorous big break at 10 as the caterpillar in our local production of Alice in Wonderland. You gotta start somewhere, right? Now, these guys would have all been spotted and snapped up by the scouts. That's how they achieved their goal. Starting your career is all about showcasing your skills and making sure you hit your targets, something our footballers know all about. Ready to level up? Let's kick off.
Getting into the first team is a big break for any footballer.
It's all about using your skills, creating opportunities and taking your chances.
If you want to get picked for the team, you've got to show everyone what kind of player you are. So, let's talk about personal branding. It's what you put out there, how you behave. You want to make sure it creates the right impression to help you get that interview. So, you've got your exam results, you've got a LinkedIn page that shows off your skills, you've taken the time to write a strong CV that explains what makes you, well, you. It's all looking good, but then, your social media brings you down. Research shows around 70% of employers will check out your socials before offering you a job. So, think about what you put out online, the stories, jokes, pics and videos, even the ones you share from other accounts. Think, which version of you do you want people to see? It's not about which camera filter you use, Valencia, it brings out my eyes. It's about not posting the sort of things that will put a potential employer off because they're going to be checking you out. So let's assume you've got your personal brand sorted and you've had the interview and it's all gone well. Eric, Lucas, what happens next?
So, the boss likes you and has offered you a chance to join the team.
Time to consider your options and decide what works best for you.
So, the interview was a success and you got the job. Nice one. Now this is where you really need some winning tactics. Okay guys, team talk. This is you. First off, do your research. Understand the market and what sort of salary you can expect for the level of skills you'll bring to the table. Once you know where you stand, you can start to negotiate the right package. To do this, you need to know exactly what's on offer and how things will affect the pay you actually take home. Think about the costs. How much is the train or petrol going to cost you to get to your place of work if you're not working from home? Will you need a new wardrobe or any new equipment? If you're going to end up paying a lot of extras, then maybe the deal you're being offered isn't such a good deal after all. On the other hand, your job can offer much more than just your salary, with benefits like healthcare, a dental plan, or personal cover, like critical illness cover for if you fall ill. Ask your employers what other benefits they may have. Do they offer a pension scheme? If they do, opt in if you can. The sooner you start building up those funds, the better. And yes, they'll take a bit off your salary for it, but one day you'll thank yourself. Okay, fellas, tell us what's next.
So they are interested in you. Well done.
Now it's time to really understand how the game works.
Once you're settled into your new job, you'll need to understand your payslip. This is how you know exactly what you're earning and where it's all going. Okay, first up is your gross pay. This is the amount your employer has agreed to pay you. But that isn't the amount paid into your account because of these guys, deductions. Your main one is your income tax. This goes towards roads, schools, healthcare, the stuff we all need that keeps the country moving. Then we have national insurance. That pays for things like maternity allowance, state pensions, disability benefits, that sort of thing. There may be other deductions, like your pension contributions if you've opted to pay them. Which leaves us with what's known as your net pay. Your net pay is what's left. It's your take-home pay. It's yours to save and spend. Congratulations. Oh, and you can check out the download on our website for a more detailed guided tour of a typical payslip. Okay folks, that's it. You've got what you need to get started in the world of work. Get ready for endless office gossip, too many meetings that could have been an email, and waking up with regret after the work Christmas party.
Nice work. You just leveled up your finances with HSBC UK. Good luck.